What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it go. It is your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, man, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me at Hustler Talk Me on Instagram. Also, educated__hustler. How can we make Walmart.com work with eBay, right? So, number one, when it comes to drop shipping and when it comes to trying to make the most, I understand you may not have the money to buy electronics or to buy some shirts wholesale, or even go ahead and buy different toys, accessories, gadgets. You might not have that, okay? And that doesn't mean you can't start selling online. It just means you have to put more work in, okay? Physically, all right? Now, some would try to say, well, you can use an automated extension, you can use this and you can use that, and that would just automatically tell you how much or what you need to list. Like, all of that stuff is subjective. I want to give you guys things that I know will definitely work. There's not going to be any type of knowledge gap. I'm going to show you guys everything right now. Now, when it comes to being an entrepreneur, I understand it's hard, especially starting out. So please make sure you guys understand you want to tailor this stuff to fit you, to fit your schedule, to fit what works for you, to fit your needs, to fit things that make you comfortable. I cannot tell you what is going to work for you. This is complete structure and structure only. Okay. All right. So next, we're going to talk about these products and why drop shipping is not going to be great for you to do year round. So we're going to do Google Trends. Okay. Now, a lot of people see videos where on the videos they tell you to go to TikTok and see what trending items are basically available for you to just list up because they're trending. I do a little bit different. I use Google Trends. Everything I do is manual because I want to make sure that I'm inspecting what I expect, which means I want to make sure I have hands on. It's been plenty of times where I tried to drop ship on Shopify, prime example, and I used extensions. I used different platforms, and it was like a little icon here where I could just click it and it would just draw the products from different websites, and it would take the products, find me the product, and then allow me basically to put it on my website and drop ship. But the problem that I was having was when the distributor or manufacturer left and didn't have any more quantity, I was crap out of luck because I probably got sales for it, but couldn't ship or didn't ship and didn't realize because they don't even sell it no more at the factory. So it sort of kind of made it to where it was not beneficial. It created more chargebacks than anything. So yeah, I ain't gonna lie. It's very, very, very difficult, very frustrating. But again, drop shipping is not for the whole year. I do not believe so, right? And I'm gonna show you why, right? Now, let's say that what's the next holiday coming up? Let's see. What is the next holiday? The Siri answered that. Let's see. What's the next holiday coming up?
Sorry to disappoint you. Today isn't a holiday here.
When is the next holiday?
There's no holiday today.
I said, when is the next holiday? I can't remember. When is the next holiday, y'all? I'm looking like a nut, right? When is the next holiday? Labor Day. Okay. So, Labor Day, right? We're going to look up Labor Day. That's all we're going to do. Labor Day. We have a few things that we could actually benefit off of throughout the year. And the way I like to drop ship is I like to drop ship by looking at the events that may come. If you're going to start drop shipping, you want to drop ship towards an event that is at least 2 months in advance, basically 2 months ahead, right? Because if you do that, you're priming your account. You're also putting yourself in the best position to get products that you're going to be able to sell fast leading up to that holiday, right? So what the heck do people buy on Labor Day? Labor Day is something where so it is where we are celebrating people that are actually, helping and doing labor work. And that's something that is important, right? So Labor Day sale, right? Labor Day sale, we see a lot of American flags. We see people selling couches. Of course, Home Depot's on it. All right. So it looks like we can sell just about anything on this holiday. So this isn't a good holiday to start drop shipping for, right? We need to find a holiday that is going to actually get us something where we really can hop into a certain niche. Halloween. I mean, we could do Halloween. Yeah, we could do Halloween. So Halloween, you already know we're going to be selling pumpkins. We're going to be selling a whole bunch of different things. So we want to make sure that we are now priming ourselves to know exactly what products we want to sell. This is a little bit too advanced. So we'll hop into something that I think a lot of people can already resonate with, which would be back to school. Back to school. So if you have not already knew, people are going to go back to school at some point, and that is when you want to start drop shipping. You want to start drop shipping when people are doing things like going back to school. What is something we can sell to the people or to parents when their children are going back to school? Notebooks, pens, pencils, all of that stuff, right? So the fact that we can sell that, we already know for a fact that we have leverage. We already know for a fact that we literally can get those products from Walmart.com. We can get those products from eBay, right? So if I was to type in, let's do this one first. I like to do Walmart first, and I'm explaining to you why. Because Walmart, let's do notebooks. Walmart usually has titles that resonate better with eBay than eBay does with Walmart. So, boom. All right. So we're looking for just books, right? Because we already know back to school is going to be something parents are shopping for starting probably next week, right? I'm a parent myself. I would start shopping very, very soon as well. So what we want to do is we want to look for a product that is discounted heavy. Look at this. We got 45 cents. Now, I'm not going to lie. I know that I'm telling you guys that you can drop ship for free, which you can, but I do want to tell whoever is listening right now that is looking to actually start making money and you got a little bit of bread to spend, whether it's $100 really all you need. I would really start buying notebooks like this. You can buy a notebook on Walmart.com right now, the Pen Plus Gear 1 Subject Notebook, College Roll Blue 70 sheet for 45 cents. Now, you buy this for 45 cents, you are going to not pay shipping. Now, I'm explaining to you how you don't pay shipping because you have to get Walmart Plus. Walmart Plus, there's no shipping fee. There's no shipping fee. And to make this drop shipping technique work, you cannot have shipping fees. Now, there is an issue with Walmart shipping that we're going to go over in a second. But let me write that down so I remember. But sticking on a notebook, this is something that I would start looking at, start buying. You want to start looking and saying, you know what holiday is coming up? What special occasion is coming up? How can I capitalize? Forget all of the drop shippers trying to give you guys filth, trying to tell you guys, oh, you need to go and download this extension and that extension. Stop being lazy because, see, you have to understand they're just making bread off of you not making money. That's it. They're making money off of you not making money, but they're making money off of giving you hope. We don't give you hope here. We only give you structure so you can get this done. Okay? So you can get it done. All right. Now, when it comes to this school stuff, I'm going to let's look at this pen. Let's do this. Let's look at this pen gear, but I really want to look at this one. But I want to see something with the pen gear, right? So let's hypothetically say I got what we got? What we got to work with? Let's say $100, right? So I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna go over to eBay because remember, we're leveraging eBay. Okay, so we either can sell on eBay or we can sell on Walmart. You can do either or. Okay, but I like to start with saying we're going to sell from Walmart.com to eBay. So from Walmart to eBay. That's what we're going to do. Now, you see the books right now, brand new. We see $6, $6.19, $6.19, right? Matter of fact, let's see. So even though I know it ain't no, I don't think parents actually are shopping for them right now, but let's see. Maybe you got some parents that do shop in advance, right? So you see, this has sold, this is sold. Like you see things are selling, right? And this right here is a good profit because you got to look at it. They're only costing us how much, y'all? 45 cents. So if we went to our profit, which this is what I want you guys to use whenever you are making a price for your products, you can literally go here because I use this every day, right? I know it's costing us 45 cents, right? And then we see on eBay it's selling for $6.16, right? So $6.16. So that's a 92% profit margin. That's a high ass profit margin. Usually profit margins are around $75, okay? Which means you would definitely be making less. Now, so how do we connect the two, right? So the one thing I tell you is one, make sure you drop ship seasonally. Do not drop ship year round. Two, dropship only products that are going to be in the for the occasion. We'll say in the moment, but no, for the occasion. Okay. You have not just holidays, you got back to school, you have other different holidays that may be coming up that people when people go back to college, like different things that you could actually utilize.